Hey guys, Raysa here. Welcome back to Land Design Academy. In Florida, the calendar might say winter, but the sun says summer, and your irrigation system must handle both. I've seen resort properties lose $25,000 in a single season just because their irrigation was static. It couldn't adapt to the shifts. I'm going to show you the engineering process I use to keep landscapes peak perfect through every cycle. A great system should be invisible support regardless of the weather. Here is the process I built for multi-season resilience. Programmable presets. We don't just set and forget. Under Florida Statute 373.62, we use smart controllers to inhibit watering during periods of sufficient moisture, but I go further with seasonal presets. Frost protection. Even in Florida, a cold snap can crack pipes. I engineer systems with auto drains and insulated backflow enclosures to prevent that $25,000 repair bill. Zoning for shade. Summer shade is a massive factor. We zone our emitters so that shade-heavy areas aren't scorched in July or drowned in January. Sensor calibration. We perform quarterly sensor checks to ensure the brain of the system is reading real-time weather data accurately. By designing for flux, we've seen operational costs drop by 30% and repair bills hit near zero. When your irrigation stays ahead of nature's curve, the result is visible vitality, no matter the month. How are you transitioning your systems this season? Are you seeing more issues with the summer heat or the winter dry spells? Drop a comment below and let's troubleshoot. If you find this technical brief helpful, hit that save button and check out my irrigation and engineering playlist. I'm Raysa Molina, and I'll see you in the next one.